Standard 3 5.1 Map Reading 1. Listen, repeat and read the poem aloud. ऐका, म्हणा आणि ही कविता मोठ्याने वाचा. First of all, listen this poem. This is the map of tiny town. The tiny road goes up and down. Some go right and some go left. The arrows point to east and west. Buildings, bridges, a market and a mill. Gardens, fields, a school and a hill. Where would you start? How will you go? If you choose the places the map will show. Now sing in a chorus. 2. Look at the map of the tiny town on page 64 and do the following. पान क्रमांक 64 वरील टायनी टाउनचा नकाशा पहा आणि खालील कृती करा. Find and circle the following in the map of tiny town. A hospital. Where is it?
Here it is.
Very good. A school. Where is it?
Here it is.
Very good. A garden. Where is it?
Here it is.
Nice. Choose a house for yourself in tiny town. Make the place with a dot. Have you chosen?
Yes. Here it is.
Nice. Read the address and find the following place in the map. E building, Sunny sector, tiny town.
Here it is.
Plot number 5, Riverview Society, Riverside Road, tiny town.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is.
Copy the diagram of directions and label it. East, West, South, North.